Hello students. Today I'm going to show you how to add your story to Padlet. So here you can see that I'm on the classroom homepage, and in the stream I see that Julie posted a new assignment, How COVID Spreads. So I'm going to click on that and I'll go to the instructions and I will go down here and click on the assignment. And we're just waiting for everything to pop up, and we see, so I'm going to just delete this. So this is my assignment. I will just delete that. Okay. Yes, okay. So this is where you can put a copy of your story. So it says, please double click on the page to add your own story about how COVID spreads. So in order to do that, I can click on the plus sign, or I can just double click anywhere. And then you see that a title and a space opens up for you to write something. So you've already written your story and it is in your Google Docs because Julie corrected it. So what you need to do is you need to go up to the plus sign, and this will take you to the Google page. When you get to the Google page, click on this waffle up here. And I'll just move myself around here. We are going to find the picture that says docs. So I am going to scroll down. There you go. We'll click there. And this has a copy of everything that you wrote and Julie corrected. Okay, so I'm going to go, up at the top here are just sort of samples that the computer is giving you. You didn't write those. You want to go down to recent documents. So I will just use my two fingers to scroll down, and I can see that I have different copies of stories from different students because everything that is shared with you, I get a copy of. So I'm going to go to Julie's How COVID Spread story. And I just clicked on it, and now it's going to open in a new page. So I will move myself around again. Okay, and we can see that I have my story here. I'm just going to read it through. It's not long enough, but it's just a practice, so that's okay. So I want to select everything. So I need to use my two fingers, and I am going to press Control A. And when I press them together, you can see that everything turns blue. That means that you have selected everything. Now I want to copy. So I'm using the two same fingers. First I put my left finger down onto Control, and then my right finger I go onto C. Control C. That means that I just copied this. So now it is copied and ready to be pasted into my How COVID Spreads Padlet. So I'm going to go up to the top of the page, and I can look at the tab up here, How COVID Spreads Video. And this little icon here, sorry about that, is a picture of Padlet. So I am going to I clicked on it, and now I've got a spot where I can paste my story. And I am going to use my two fingers again. This time I press Control V. And look, my story is pasted into that new spot. So I'm just going to make it look a little better here. Okay, and um, now what we want to do is just review the commands. So for control commands, control plus the letter A means select everything. So I am going to edit this post, so I can click to edit. Control A means select. Select everything. And Control C means copy. And Control V means paste. So those are the commands that you need to remember. Okay, Control A, select everything. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. So also, if you, these three dots here will give you actions. So if I want to edit my post, I can click edit. If I don't like it, I can click delete. If I want to change the color of my post, maybe I would like pink, I can change the color to a pretty color. And white is so boring, so I think I will change it to this color here. Now, when I'm done, all I do is I close this tab by clicking on the X. And that, my friends, is how you post your story onto Padlet.